First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
We begin with a storm profiler radar tonight with some isolated showers. A few heavy downpours, too, indicated in the yellow and red out there in San Saba County, parts of Llano, parts of Gillespie County. A small stream flood advisory actually in effect for southwestern parts of Gillespie County. No rain in the metro area right now, but we could see some rain overnight. And we are expecting to see rain tomorrow and probably Friday, too. The National Weather Service has now expanded the flash flood watch in effect through tomorrow to our entire area. This information just in. In fact, our computer hasn't even caught up yet. But Milam County, Lampasas County, San Saba County, and Mason County, you have just been added to this flash flood watch. Most counties effective through tomorrow. The northern and western tier of counties effective through Friday. Flash flood watch for our entire viewing area because there is tropical moisture in place across the entire state of Texas. A high school right now is being reported flooding up in Amarillo because of some heavy rain in that area. Scattered rainfall all across Texas right now. The result of a newly formed tropical depression. This is tropical depression number 2 for the season. It is situated due southeast of the Brownsville and South Padre Island area at the present hour. The National Hurricane Center just identifying this as a tropical depression moments ago and now says that this storm by tomorrow morning will become Tropical Storm Bonnie. Bonnie at 7 o'clock in the morning with 40-mile-per-hour winds still moving to the northwest as this depression is now. Moving northwest at 12 miles per hour, situated 265 miles per hour east-southeast of the Brownsville area. Unlike Alex, now remember, Alex was a hurricane last week. This is not expected to be a hurricane. And unlike Alex, this storm is going to make landfall, it appears, real close to, if not over, South Padre Island and Brownsville. Watch this. There's the tropical storm at 7 o'clock tomorrow night with 45-mile-per-hour sustained winds, basically sitting on top of South Padre, Port Isabel, Brownsville area. New tropical storm warnings have just gone up tonight from Baffin Bay, just south of the Corpus Christi area, all the way down to into northeastern Mexico, actually. The storm will then continue to progress on inland and then weaken over the mountains. This is terrible news for the Rio Grande. The Rio Grande today peaked at a level unseen since 1965 in Laredo. The international bridge, one of them, over Laredo to Nuevo Laredo, has been closed as a result. They're forced to release water from Lake Amistad up at Del Rio and flood communities on the other side of the Rio Grande that are already flooding. So this is just terrible news. A slow-moving tropical depression or tropical system is the worst possible news for the Rio Grande at this point. Higher than it's been since 1965 tonight in the Laredo, Nuevo Laredo area. What does this mean for us? Well, this is a big circulation like Alex. Here comes some rain, maybe as early as tomorrow morning. More rain tomorrow afternoon. More rain developing, maybe dissipating a little Friday morning, and then more developing Friday afternoon. But the system should be, like last weekend, out of here by the weekend. How much rain? Well, right now we're thinking 1.5 to 3 inches just about anywhere, including your house, but you could see some isolated 3 to 5 inch rainfall totals between now and Saturday. Temperatures will be cooler as a result. These are current readings around the area. Quick check of the current conditions. 82 officially in Austin and 82 degrees out at ABIA with east-southeasterly winds. On the forecast for tonight, light showers possible, a few heavier downpours. Tomorrow, rain, likely, heavy at times, maybe a thunderstorm. On the 7-day forecast, 80% chance of rain on Thursday, 70% chance that we could see more on Friday, down to a 20% chance this weekend. Aquapalooza may come off all right. A little hot and humid again next week. The latest on this developing tropical situation.